In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your own website using Hostinger. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a personal site, creating a professional online presence has never been more accessible. Let's dive right in without further ado. First, head over to the Hostinger website. If you're new to Hostinger, you'll need to sign up for an account. If you're already a member, simply log in using your credentials. This step is straightforward and essential, as you'll manage your website from your Hostinger dashboard. Once logged in, the next step involves choosing the perfect hosting plan that suits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of hosting solutions, from shared hosting to dedicated plans, specifically tailored for WordPress users. Take your time to explore the options. Think about what your needs are. If you're just starting out, a basic plan might suffice, but if you anticipate a lot of traffic or need specific capabilities, you might want to opt for a more robust plan. After deciding, go ahead and register your domain. Choosing the right domain name is key, as it reflects your brand and makes it easy for visitors to find you. A tip here is to keep your domain simple, memorable, and relevant to your content. Now, with your hosting and domain set, it's time to start crafting your website. You have two main paths to take here. Use the website builder provided by Hostinger, or opt to install WordPress. If you're looking for something quick and straightforward with a drag and drop interface, Hostinger's website builder is an excellent option. It comes packed with numerous templates that cater to different website needs. However, if you crave more customization and control, consider installing WordPress. It's a powerful platform that gives you the flexibility to install various themes and plugins, providing almost endless design and functionality options. Whichever path you choose, the next focus is on customizing your website's design. Think of this step as setting the aesthetic and functionality that match your vision. If you opted for the website builder, take advantage of the templates and personalize them to your liking. Change colors, fonts, and layouts, ensuring everything aligns with your brand identity. On WordPress, utilizing themes and plugins allows for even deeper customization. Explore the vast libraries available, but also ensure that everything remains clear and user-friendly for your visitors. Finally, take a moment to connect your domain with your site, ensuring everything is pointing correctly so visitors find your site when they type in your URL. With everything set in place, it's time to publish your website. Just push that button, and your site will go live for the world to see. Don't forget to test it out yourself. Check various devices and browsers to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Congratulations, you've just launched your very own website. Thanks for joining me in this video, and happy web publishing.